What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Anthony O'Neal, and I am passionate about helping you win in life. And today we're going to talk about, you're young, you really want to understand the mortgage industry a little bit. And today we're going to talk about that. But check this out. If you're new to the channel, I want you to hit that subscribe button because I'm passionate about helping you. But let's get started right now after this intro. So let's jump straight into it, you guys. What is a mortgage? A mortgage is a loan by a bank that helps you get into a house. You see, the majority of people who need to get into a house need to borrow money. Yes, I'm talking about borrowing money because this is the only thing that it is okay to borrow money, to get into debt for. There are a couple of options when it comes to mortgages. And one of the first options I want you to understand is there are different options from a federal, from a adjustable rate mortgage, from an administration loan, to even down to a conventional loan. The best option that I refer people to go into is a conventional loan. Let me say this again. Yes, this still is debt. Conventional loan that is a fixed rate. Now, next, you have these different type of loan things. The next one is, how long is that loan? You have anywhere from 15 years, 20 years, and 30 years. And I tell everyone, I want you to go with the 15-year option because what I want you to do is to be in debt as short as you can. So you're gonna get a conventional fixed rate 15-year loan, okay? Once you do that, I really want you to step back and look out, okay, you know what, hey, I'm ready to do this. I'm gonna get a 15-year fixed rate. How much money should I put down? Now, there's a lot of programs, let's say, for example, like the FHA program. They say you only need to put down 3% of the home mortgage. No, what I want you to do is put down a minimum of 10% up until 20%. If you can get to 20%, you're gonna avoid this thing called the PMI. This is the private mortgage insurance. This is for the bank. So if you slip up and you stop making your loan payments and you go into default on your mortgage, the loan is covered with this PMI, so the bank gets all their money back, but then you still owe that money. So a PMI is something that you really want to avoid. But if you put down 10%, think about it, you walk in with 10% equity. The key thing that I really want to talk about first, especially to us young people, to millennials, I'm 35 years old, and I just purchased my home about 2 years ago. So I was, 33. I did not purchase my home until I was completely 100% debt-free. I had at least 6 months in my emergency fund, and I was already investing into my retirement. So the key thing here is I want you to lay down a solid foundation first, then start looking into a home mortgage. Do not rush the process. There is nothing wrong with renting. I hear so many financial experts out there saying you're wasting your money and go get some equity and go do this. If you really want to be right, I really want you to have such a solid foundation that when you get into your mortgage, when you get into your home, that's the only thing that you have to worry about. Number two, you're going to finance it for 15 years because you're going to work your butt off to get out of that in 15 years. I currently have a mortgage, a 15-year mortgage, and I'm busting my butt to pay it off because I do not want to be in debt for the rest of my life, and I do not want you to be in debt for the rest of your life. So make sure you save at least 10% to up to 20%, and if you really want to stretch yourself, go further. The more you put down, the better place you put yourself at for your future. If you have any questions, if you have any comments, if you have any concerns, two things. Hit me below, ask a question, or hit me up on Instagram at Anthony O'Neal, and I'll rock with you. I respond to all of you all, especially on my Instagram channel, because I really want to hear from you. So if you have any questions, if you have anything you want me to talk about that can help you better your future, hit me below, or hit me up on Instagram. And you know what? I'm gonna see you on the next video. Peace.